So during relaxation, it depends on the duration of the neural stimulus and the number of free calcium ions in the sarcoplasm, and also the availability of adenosine triphosphate, or the molecules of energy that the body makes. So relaxation occurs when the calcium level falls and it detaches from troponin, and the active sites are able to recover. The active sites are able to recover by troptomyosin. Now, this normally occurs when the body is well and moving. But when a person dies, what happens is that they get a fixed muscle contraction. You've seen on the telly when people become quite stiff and they talk about rigor mortis. Well, that occurs because there is a ceasing of the iron pumps, and there is a running out of ATP because the body is no longer making it. And the calcium builds up in the sarcoplasm. This rigor mortis breaks down after a few hours. So again, the forensic pathologists can tell how old the body, how long since death, by the level of rigor mortis, as well as the core temperature of the body. The body will become cooler and cooler and become the same temperature as the surroundings when the person has died. So in summary, skeletal muscle fibers shorten as the thin filaments slide between the thick filaments. Free amounts of calcium ions in the sarcoplasm trigger the contraction. Sarcoplasmic reticulum releases this calcium when the motor neuron stimulates the muscle fiber. Contraction is an active process requiring energy, and relaxation and return to resting length is a passive process. So here we are looking at it again. So the steps involved in muscle contraction and relaxation. So if we look at the diagram on the left, so we get the number 1, the release of ACH, which is acetylcholine. It builds up in the binding receptors on the surface of the muscle cell, and this causes a change in calcium. The calcium works on the actin and the myosin, and it allows cross-bridging to occur, and that allows shortening of the Z zone, and the muscle contraction begins. After the muscle contraction has occurred, the extra acetylcholine is broken down by acetylcholine esterase. The sarcoplasmic reticulum recaptures the calcium ions. The active sites are no longer cross-bridged between the actin and the myosin. You can see that the little purple head is no longer attached to the twisted chain of little pink round bits called the actin. And the muscle contraction ends, relaxation occurs, and the muscle moves back to its starting length, or its resting length.